I cut a border too short.
I haven't done anything because I've done nothing.
No, I took a slice out of my thumb to put the lining and the bag together with the sewing table still on.
Forget my machine. I had so much fun beating the crap out of those grommets.
Yeah, my packets inside out.
I brought stuff to make some retreat bags, and I didn't bring the instructions.
Yeah, I have to pick something out right here.
I mean, I sewed some stuff backwards.
Yes, I goofed on a couple things.
I've had several mishaps, but they've all been fixed.
Thought I was going to get 3 done. I'm still on my first. Packed my sewing machine with the wrong power cord.
I tried on some new bras, and when I went into the dressing room, I accidentally took off my pants and my shoes.
I picked a project with a lot of pieces.
My bottom was crooked, Jess.
I sewed my pocket upside down.